Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, Sade Boo. If you are new here, if you're not, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Today I'm just doing laundry. You know, I've been going through this habit of making the laundry pile up or staying consistent with doing it every week. I start, but then I have an issue. So, this week I let it pile up. Basically is what I'm saying. And, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I don't know if I'm cooking or Greg is cooking. The weather is amazing. It's in the 80s, but it's not humid. Humidity makes it suck. Heading back downstairs. You know, I do laundry in my building, and sometimes I get down there before people, sometimes I don't. And there was people down there, so going to see if beautiful Miss Gloria is done, and if so, then I can start my laundry. Plus, I have to stop at the store. Yeah, all that good stuff. I got iced coffee, and it's frozen. How is that helping me right now? I put my stuff in the washing machine. Greg is upstairs listening to some 50s, 60s music. He's such an old soul. It's so nice outside. Hey! Hey, hey y'all!
On the left side. Yeah. It's a big building, right?
Palmalong. How you pronounce this?
No, not that one. You know,
Palmalong. Palmalong.
First Avenue?
Yeah. By the first
Palm olive. Palm olive.
The one
Palm
YMCA.
olive.
It's like, it's called like that YMCA.
In the corner.
Yeah.
Okay,
So, it was good.
yeah.
No, don't take pictures.
I have a vlog
Oh, word?
on YouTube, yeah.
Word?
Yeah.
So now you're doing vlogging?
Yeah.
You're doing vlogger?
Yeah.
Daily vlogging you're doing? Like common
Yeah,
vlog?
if you go to YouTube, you can see
Because now-
on my vlogs.
What is the name of your vlog?
Sade Boo. S-A-D-E.
One.
S-A-D-E-B-O-O.
Then you just grab all the kind.
Oh, you are here. Oh my
You live now?
No, I'm just vlogging. Hmm.
Oh, you are here. Where is my brother? Oh, my brother also is there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
he's
see?
there too. So most people don't know that I vlog. Which I don't go around telling it. I think out of shyness too. But good.
Okay.
Yes.
Lady.
Yes.
Okay.
How you doing? Yeah, where's your son? Upstairs? Okay. Okay. So you get your little break. She's so sweet. I tell you, the thing about New York is the weather. Like right now it's supposed to be like 84 degrees, but it's not humid and it feels so good. Like I said before, if it's humid, it's disgusting. If it's humid, it's disgusting. If it's not humid, it's nice, like a light breeze. I think the last time y'all really saw me, I had box braids in, but I took them out, and as y'all can see, I put my clip-ins in, bought some headbands from either Amazon or TikTok. About to get this Burmese curly hair. I'm telling you, my hair, I don't know no more. How you doing? Whew. I can't wait to move somewhere. I don't know nobody. Not that I still wouldn't speak. I'm a stranger talker. You know, I know stranger danger, but I am a stranger talker. Meaning, a stranger could say, hello, good morning, and I say good morning. That kind of stranger talker. Hi, how you doing?
Great.
How's everything?
Are you single?
No, I'm married. Leave a comments. Telling me what day of the week is the best day to complete your laundry. What do y'all think?
Cash hot, why you want tax? Me Rolex, pan a cheap price on top. Me white like sand, crypto bar, millions, billions,
Boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and a humble like a lamb. Tell them no confusion.
This is my mother, so I know when she sees this, she's gonna be like, I know damn well you're not using my Tupperware bowl for your laundry detergent. Sorry, Ma, I am. So, right? I just put it in this because it makes it easier to just scoop and sprinkle in the machine. And the soap I'm using, I'll tell you when I get upstairs, or I'll put it right here. And I just sprinkle it in. Let me see if I can show y'all. Alright. And just sprinkle it in, and that's enough. Alright. I only do 2 scoops. Whoop, whoop. I use a little suavita. We'll do 3, just cause. Okay, I did put the laundry in, put the other clothes in the dryer. Now I'm about to have me a, what is this? A smoothie from Trader Joe's. Tropical smoothie blend of pineapple, mango, coconut cream, banana, agave, syrup, and passion fruit. That's what we get. So let's blend this up. And I'm using the NutriBullet.
when you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so hot, taking deep breaths. You get me so high.
And this just, so you know how normally you have to stop it yourself? It just stops on its own.
Hi guys, I have a stomach virus.
It tastes good. I need a little honey. Where's the honey?
So what I'm going to do now, build that back together up to the stage where we begin to.
Need a little honey. Let's pour the rest in here.
Hands all back in.
Then put it on.
Cut it out! Oh, that's it, that's what it is. That is your question. There it is.
Honey.
Right for you and your goals. But that's just the beginning. If you're eligible for GLP-1s and
Greg, you want some?
all you have to do is submit your insurance card and Bro will take care of the rest.
Do you want some?
No negotiating and no waiting.
TV said, now, you look like we can put our wheel on this. Cable.
Bon appetit. Do you say that with drinks?
There's the wheel.